નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 6, subject English, unit number 5, invention. As you know students, in our previous videos, we completed activity number 1 to 7. Now today, in this video, we have to do activity number 8. Activity number 7, we studied about a smart boy invents smart bell, part 2nd. Now, based on that, we have to study about activity number 8. So students, let's start about it. As you know students, in the activity number 7, Lawrence find out the smart bell to solve the problem with his mother. Whenever his mother went outside, she missed all the deliveries. To seeing that problem, Lawrence Rook decided to create a one thing that his mother did not miss any deliveries. Okay? By this way, he find out the smart bell. He invented the smart bell. How smart bell work? We already see the functions of smart bell. Now today we have to do next thing related to smart bell. Okay, now activity number 8. Open your textbook, page number 44. We have to see the activity number 8. First of all, I read from the text. Just you have to keep attention here and see what I say. First of all, first line I read from here is that Lawrence had to draw the design for his invention before the company in China could make it. As we learned in 7th activity that Lawrence has invented smart bell, but before smart bell invention, just he has to do design for smart bell. How smart bell work? Which way it work? From that design, company of China create a smart bell. Create a smart bell. So first of all, it required to draw the design for that working instrument. Okay? So Lawrence had to draw the design for his invention before the company in China could make it. Before the China's company made it, Lawrence have to make a design for it. Inventors often draw their designs to solve how their idea will work. And every inventor who invents new things, first of all, they create the design of that instrument or anything else. Just they have to prepare design first of all, how it works. Okay? So here, Lawrence also draw the design for a smart bell. So every inventor draw their designs to show how their idea will work. So here, one design is given, drawn by Lawrence. Read the articles very carefully to find out all the things that smart bell does, and you have to read the articles once again. This unit activity number 7, you have to study it once again very carefully to find out all the things that smart bell does and find out all the things related to smart bell. What type of work smart bell do, how it works. You have to find out all the things from that activity number 7. How many things does smart bell do? How many things does smart bell do? Means how functions smart bell do? Function किस तरह से स्मार्ट बेल वर्क करता है वो हमें डिस्कस करना है, वो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. So here first question is given. We have to just discuss it. Question number first is given here. Question number first. We have to see how many How many things does how many things does smart bell do? Here one question is given here. We have to understand about it and we have to discuss the question. How many things does smart bell do? Means smart bell how work the smart bell? Smart bell कैसे काम करता है? One little question is given here based on your little activity number 7 study. We have to give the answer. For that question, how many things does smart bell do? So just I speak here. What becomes the answer of that question? Just keep attention here. Like a regular doorbell, when the switch of the smart bell is pressed, it rings. When all regular bells, like regular bells, whenever you press the switch of smart bell, okay, then smart bell rings. Other bells, as you know, at your home, whenever switch of the doorbell is pressed, what's happened now? Doorbell ring at your home. Like that, smart bell work same as other doorbell do. Okay? Now next, after 10 seconds, after pressing the smart bell switch, after 10 seconds, if the owner of the house does not answer the doorbell, if within a 10 seconds, if the owner of the house does not give any answer, any response, the smart bell dials the owner of the house. At that time, after 10 seconds, smart bell dial the number of the owner of the house. Okay, dial the owner of the house means वो घर के मालिक को फोन लगा देता है. If within a 10 seconds give any response not came, after 10 seconds, smart bell dial the owner's phone. The owner then talks to the visitor standing on the front door. After that dialing that number, owner was anywhere at that place. From that place, owner talks with the visitor who is standing on the door. So owner of that house talking with the visitor who visits his house. It also creates a small amount of white noise. We discussed about white noise. White noise is an expandable of voice. It is one type of technology. It is known as a white noise. The sound and the smart bell pressed, the sound that the smart bell produces is like that of intercom. And at that time, when owner speak on that smart bell, it create a sound like an intercom. We also discussed it's a new word, intercom. Intercom means one type of instrument we are using in the offices and houses. It creates the sound like an intercom, and the listener feels like somebody from the house is talking with him, and visitor of that house think that somebody is in house and talking with him with intercom. So here visitor become full, and he think that somebody is inside the house. Can you understand, student? That type of work smart bell do. Smart bell do. So how many things does smart bell do? Here our first question is the answer all. Now next thing we have to do. Now next paragraph I read from the textbook. Just keep attention. Think about all the parts that smart bell must have to work. And now you have to think about how many parts are there in the smart bell must have to work. How many parts do you think it need? How many parts do you think it need? How would the parts be connected? Like that type of question asked here in activity number 8, we have to just discuss about it. So second question came here. Question number second. Question second is given here. How many parts do you think it needs question mark sign. Second question is that how many parts do you think it needs? Smart bell, how many parts required to create a smart bell? Just we have to discuss that question. How many steps smart bell work? We have to discuss that steps. How many smart bell work? We have to discuss that steps. So just keep attention here, student. The smart bell must have to work in about 6 steps. How many steps smart bell work here? 6 steps smart bell works. Requires 6 steps. First step I discussed here. Receiving operating signal when the bell switch is pressed. First thing is that receiving operating signal. What requires? 6 things. First thing we have to follow in that. First thing is that receiving the signals. First point is that whenever you press the switch of smart bell, so what's happened now? Receiving operating signal when the bell switch is pressed. Second step is waiting for 10 seconds. Second step is given here. Waiting for 10 seconds. How many times? 10 seconds. So here, second step is waiting for 10 seconds. When you press the smart bell switch, just he receives the signal from the visitor. After that, waiting for 10 seconds to respond. Okay? Then third step is given here. After 10 seconds, dial the owner of the house. After 10 seconds, what it do? Dials the owner's number. Now third step is given here. Now after that, it dials the owner's phone number. After 10 seconds waiting. After 10 seconds, dial the owner of the house. Now fourth step we have to discuss about it. Fourth step is given here. Fourth step, creating white noise simultaneously while dialing the phone number of owner. It creates the white noise. What? White noise. It creates white noise here. Okay? Can you understand? It creates white noise while dialing the number of owner. Now fifth step, making the owner of the house talk with the visitor at the front door. Talking with the owner of the house. Now next step is that talking with the owner. Talking with the owner of the house. And last step is step number 6 we have to see. Creating sound like that intercom. It is while talking with the visitor, it creates the sound like talking in the intercom. Like talking in the intercom. It creates sound like talking in the intercom. Can you understand, student? So these type of 6 steps followed by the smart way. So you have to remember that six steps. First of all, receiving the signal when switch pressure. Second one, waiting for the 10 seconds. After that, after 10 seconds, dial the bonus number. Then, at that time, it creates a white noise. Then, fifth one is talking with owner. After that, talking with owner and visitor. And last step is talking in the intercom. It is like I am talking in the intercom. So that type of 6 steps followed by the smart way. Now next thing we have to do, just keep attention here. Work in a pair or group to draw a possible design for smart way. Showing all the parts need to make it. Now you have to make a design for smart way. Design, as you saw that one design is given in your textbook, like that you have to create your own design for working smart bell. All parts need to make it, and you have to draw the all parts that require to make smart bell. Label your drawing and write a few sentences to explain how it works. And label your drawing. If you draw the smart bell chart, then you have to give labeling and you have to write sentences explaining about it, how it works. Here one space is given. In that space, you have to draw the diagram of the smart bell, how it works. After that, downside, one instruction is given here. Share your design with the class. Did others think of other designs for the smart bell? Now you have to share that design with your classmates and see that what types of changes are made with your classmates. Okay students, here our activity number 8 over. Activity number 8 over. Now remaining activities we have to do in our next video. Thank you for joining us.